My dear students, as you know that in chemistry we have already started new chapter, that is chapter 2, elements, compounds and mixture. Today I would like to recapitulate whatever we have done in previous classes. As you know that we are surrounded by many substances, and these substances are made up of matter. And I would like to ask you, what is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space, has mass, and which can be perceived by our senses. As you know that we have five sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. With the help of these five sense organs, we know what is happening around us. And these sense organs help us to identify the substances. And what are the three physical states of matter? Solid, liquid, and gas. In nature, matter exists as solid, liquid, and gas. These are the three physical states of matter. Now here, matter can be classified as pure substance and impure substance. Now what is pure substance? A pure substance is a kind of matter which consists of same type of particles. Further, they cannot be separated into their components by any physical means. Elements and compounds are pure substances. Now next here, mixtures are impure substances. Now what is mixture? Mixture is an impure substance which is formed when two or more elements or compounds are mechanically mixed in any proportion. Now here, mixture can be classified into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Now next here again, we'll come back here. Pure substance can be classified as elements and compounds. Now what are elements? Elements are pure or simple substances made up of only one kind of atoms. Further, they cannot be broken down into their simpler substances by any physical means, physical or chemical means. Here, elements, further they can be classified as metals, non-metals, metalloids, and noble gases. Now, what are metals? Elements which have shining surfaces. That means they reflect the light. Malleable. Malleable means which can be turned into thin shape. Ductile. Ductile means which can be drawn into thin wire. Good conductor of heat and electricity. Sonorous. That means they produce sound. Are called metals. Gold, silver, iron, mercury, magnesium, sodium, zinc, potassium, etc. are the examples of metals. Now next, non-metals. Elements which have dull surfaces. It means that they do not reflect the light. Non-malleable, non-ductile, bad conductor of heat and electricity, but are good insulator. Non-sonorous are called non-metals. Carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. are the examples of non-metals. Metalloids, elements whose property lie between metals and non-metals are called metalloids. Silicon, germanium, antimony, etc. are the examples of macroalkaloids. Noble gases, elements which are chemically inactive or unreactive, do not react with other elements due to their stable electronic configuration. Stable electronic configuration means their outermost shell completed with octet or 8 electrons except helium. This you will learn in higher classes. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon, etc. are examples of noble gases. Now compounds. Compounds are also pure substances, but are made up of atoms of 2 or more different kind of elements. Further, they cannot be broken down into simpler substances by any physical means, but they can be separated by only chemical means. Here, compounds further they can be classified as inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Now, what are inorganic compounds? Compounds of other elements except carbon are called inorganic compounds. Now, what are organic compounds? Compounds of carbon are called organic compounds. Sugar, alcohol, protein, carbohydrates, etc. are the examples of organic compounds. Now, here mixture. Mixture can be classified as homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the components are distributed uniformly throughout the mixture. Salt solution, sugar solution, milk, etc. are the example of homogeneous mixture. Now, heterogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the components are not distributed uniformly throughout the mixture. Here, a mixture of iron fillings and sulfur powder is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Dear children, here we have come to the end of today's online class. Thank you very much.